Now let's move on to the next topic, that is current account. Now we have studied that BOP accounts maintain generally three types of account: current account, capital account and official reserve account. So let's start with the first, that is current account. Current account deals with those transactions or economic transactions that a country have with the rest of the world, means it receives or it pays to the rest of the world in terms of foreign currency, but these transactions do not impact the assets or liabilities of that particular country. Clear? Means all those transactions or the records or the current account records all such receipts and payments of foreign exchange, means foreign currency, whatever is being received into foreign currency or whatever is being paid into foreign currency. So all such receipts and payments of foreign exchange are recorded into the current account, and these do not impact the assets or liabilities of the country. They do not have any impact on the assets or liabilities of the country. Means neither the assets are reduced nor the liabilities are reduced, and neither the assets are increased nor the liabilities are increased. Clear? So such type of transactions which do not affect the assets or liabilities of a country are recorded into current account. Clear? The components of current accounts are: it records export and import of goods, export and import of services and current transfers. Let's do the meaning of these three components one by one. The first is export and import of goods. Goods means which are visible. Clear? Like for example, we talk about clothes, we talk about soaps, we talk about mobile phones. Clear? So these are all the commodities which are visible are called goods. Clear? So all these goods are being exported or imported from the country. So such type of receipts and payment on account of the export and import of goods are recorded under current account. So this is the first component of current account. It records the export and import of goods. Whatever being received on account of the export of visible goods and whatever is being paid on account of the import of the visible goods, that is recorded into current account. Clear? Next is export and import of services. Services are non-material goods, or we can say the which we cannot see but the advantage or benefits of which can be felt. Clear? All those services for which we are being paid or for which we are making a payment to some other person, those are recorded here. Clear? So here also one country can provide its services to the other country, and it can also avail the services of other countries. Clear? For which it have to pay, and for the giving services it receives payment in the foreign exchange. Clear? So all these export and import of services means sale and purchase of services from one nation to another is also recorded under current account. Whatever is being received or whatever is being paid on account of export and import of the services is recorded under current account. Here you need to note one important thing, that these services include the factor services as well as non-factor services. Factor services means those services provided by the factors of production, like any laborer we are having from the rest of the world, any land, capital, whatever we are having from the rest of the world. So for them, whatever the payment we are paying, these are known as factor payments. Clear? So these are factor services. And non-factor services means all those services which are not dealing with these factor payments, that are termed as non-factor services. Like one country is having the shipping facilities of another country, so that is a non-factor service. Clear? So both these services, their export and import, receipts and payments are being recorded in the current account. Clear? The third component of current account is current transfers. Current transfers are the unilateral transfers. Unilateral transfers means one-sided transfers, and these are also known as transfer for free, means for which nothing is to be nothing good or services is to be paid up. Clear? So current transfers include the transactions like gifts or donation to rest of the world, or donation in charity from rest of the world. Clear? Such type of transactions are known as current transfers. So from these gifts and donations also the foreign exchange is being received and foreign exchange is being paid when we are giving donation to any other nation. It is payment of donation, and when we are having grants from any other country, it is receipt of the donation. Clear? So such type of transactions are recorded in current transfer under the current account. Clear? So what is a current account? Current account records the receipt and payment of the foreign exchange which do not impact the asset or liability status of the country. By all these transactions, neither the assets nor the liabilities of the countries are affected. Clear? These are trade transactions generally, and that is a unilateral transfer. Clear? So the components of current account is export and import of goods, export and import of services, and current transfers. So these are the components of current account under balance of payment account.